How to add user account, existing user. Log into your account at my.signingcloud.com. On the home page, navigate to the side menu at the top left. Find Users by navigating to the Manage Account from the drop-down menu. At the Users Management page, select the Add button at the right. Fill in the details accordingly. Kindly also assign the role of the user accordingly. The registered account will receive an email to request to join the account. He or she just has to log in to SigningCloud account as per usual to accept the invitation. He or she just has to navigate to the side menu to find My Profile. He or she will be prompted with the invitation once he has entered the page. Simply select Accept to join the account or to Reject if you do not want to join.
SigningCloud. Sign with confidence.